going on, everyone? Brendan from Kozo here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our brand new Zenith headlight for Harley Davidson. You'll have three options for the plugs. We'll have plug and play plugs for both the Road King and the Street Glide, and then we'll have a universal plug for more custom applications. So today we're going to be installing it on the Street Glide here. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to pull off the ring, the outer ring around the headlight, just so we can get access to the screws behind it that are going to allow us to pull out that headlight. So there's one screw down in the bottom that you'll have to pull out. Oh, well, we'll just unscrew this and then we'll be able to get that ring out of there. So the next step here, once we have the ring off, is there's three screws on the outside here. We're just going to pull these three, unscrew these three screws so that we have access to the back of the headlight. Oh, don't want to strip it. Now that you have all the screws out, you should be able to pull the headlight right out. You'll see the two plugs in the back. We'll just quickly get these two unplugged. Once you have those out, stock headlights out. So since this is going on a Street Glide, we have a plug and play adapter for it. And you'll notice you'll have two plugs going into your stock headlight, but further up, you'll have another plug that you'll be able to pull out. And this is where you will plug the new Zenith connector into. Just like that. Now you have it ready and set up to install the new headlight. So now we got the new headlight, the plug ready to go. So what we're gonna just do is plug this in. We're gonna mount this back up, and then we're just gonna screw those three screws back in, and then we'll be ready to put the ring back on and make sure everything works. But once you have everything back in place, you're going to try and seat the ring back right where it was over the top of the light. And then we're just gonna turn it and we have access to our screw hole. Once we have that back in place, we're just gonna screw this one back in and then we'll be finished here. So that'll conclude today's video on the installation of our Zenith headlight with the plug and play adapter for this Street Glide. We also have the plug and play adapter for the Road King, and then we have the universal one. So yeah, thanks a lot. See you in the next one.